Welcome back, guys. On this episode of Lime with Ling, I'm going to show you how to clean shark or any fish. This is pretty much a procedure for many fish, so just follow along and I'll teach you something that you did not know.
First things first, sharpen your knife.
Wow, that's sharp. Okay, now there's a bone right in the center here. Go ahead and cut right along that. Whoop, see? All done.
You're gonna want to carve off all the dark red parts of the fish. Those taste like mercury. Now watch me cut this flat. Wow! Wow!
Guys, thank you very much for staying tuned and I appreciate you for coming back. This was a short. I'm trying to do a short. But go and watch One Caribbean live at 9 and you can see how to make bacon shark.
And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe.